In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the VAT value on a purchase invoice. So the scenario being you've received a purchase invoice, you've entered the line details and they add up to the right amount and the net value, but the overall VAT value has been calculated slightly different to the way that your supplier has calculated it. The difference could be a penny or two, but you want to be able to overwrite the VAT value on the invoice. So the first thing we're going to do is go to purchase invoices. And I'm in Kronos, so we have some sample data. These are the sample vendors. I'm going to pick a document that's not been posted yet. So if I pick this one, because it's a domestic one, and you can see we have an invoice here from First Up Consultants. There are a couple of items on the invoice. They've been put in quantities and the direct cost with that VAT. The VAT has been calculated by the system knowing it's 20%, and it's come up with £234. But let's just say that your vendor, their system has actually calculated the VAT as £234 and 1 pence. And so you actually owe them £1,404 and a pence. How do you do this? You can't overwrite here and you can't change the percentage. So what you need to do instead is go to Invoice, then go to Statistics. And you'll see here you've got an overall invoice details. So you've got the amount excluding VAT, any discounts, the VAT which is greyed out, and the total. You then have some line details about the different types of VAT. So here we have 20%, which is correct. However, this should be £234 and a pence. So 1 penny, enter that. Update it, we see the total amount now is 140401, which is what we have in our printed document. And if we just close this, the document will update. So now we have the correct VAT value, the correct total value, and just to check, if we go back into statistics, this has now been updated with the correct amounts. And that's how you overwrite small differences in your VAT on a purchase document.